Good evening, everyone. My name is Schroeder. Today, I'm going to tell you a story. The story is a real drunk guy. A real drunk guy. A drunk guy decides to go ice fishing. So he gets up his gear and goes walking around until he finds a big patch of ice. So he heads into the center of the ice and looking for a hole. All of a sudden, a loud booming voice comes out of the sky. You will find no fish under that ice. Then the drunk looks all around, but can see no one. Then he starts looking for the hole again. Then the voice speaks, as I said before, there are no fish. Then the drunk guy looks all around, high and low, left and right, but can't see a single soul. Then he starts cutting the ice. Then the voice speaks, I have warned you 3 times now. There are no fish. Then the drunk guy is somewhat scared and flustered. So he asks the voice, how do you know there are no fish under the ice? Are you God trying to warn me? No, the voice repeats. I'm the manager of this hockey area. Thank you, everybody. My story is finished.